Imagine a best friend who can smell your anxiety, sense an oncoming seizure, and even help you cross a busy street safely. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, that friend already exists. They're loyal, intelligent, and walk on four legs. Dogs are among the most incredible service animals on the planet. If you're passionate about dogs' health or just love feel-good content, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the real, science-backed reasons why dogs make amazing service animals. Let's start with the science. Did you know that dogs have up to 300 million scent receptors in their nose, compared to about 5 million in humans? They can detect changes in hormones, blood sugar levels, and even subtle shifts in human body chemistry. One study from Emory University showed that dogs recognize and respond to human emotions using the same brain region we do, the caudate nucleus, responsible for love and reward. That means dogs aren't just reacting, they're emotionally connected to us. Now, not all service dogs are the same. Let's break down a few types and what makes each one amazing. Number 1. Guide dogs, which help people who are blind or have severe visual impairments safely navigate the world. Lead their handler around obstacles like poles, curbs, steps, and furniture. Stop at changes in elevation, such as stairs or street corners. Disobey dangerous commands known as intelligent disobedience. Popular breeds: Labrador Retrievers, Golden Retrievers, and German Shepherds. Because they're smart, calm, and easy to train. Cool fact: guide dogs don't know directions like left or right. The handler gives the direction and the dog leads safely in that direction. The team works together. Number 2. Medical alert dogs, human body monitors. To detect medical issues before symptoms fully appear, often faster than any machine. Alert people with diabetes to dangerous blood sugar levels before fainting occurs. Detect oncoming seizures and help their handler get to a safe place. Warn about life-threatening allergic reactions like peanuts or gluten. Press emergency alert buttons or fetch medications. Popular breeds: Poodles, Labradors, Collies, because breeds with excellent noses and focus. Science fact: dogs can detect changes in chemical composition of breath, sweat, or saliva caused by illnesses like epilepsy or hypoglycemia. Number 3. Psychiatric service dogs, emotional first responders. To support individuals with mental health conditions like PTSD, anxiety disorders, depression, or autism. Interrupt panic attacks or flashbacks by licking, pawing, or nudging. Create physical space around the handler in public, called blocking. Wake the handler from nightmares. Provide deep pressure therapy by lying across their handler's lap to soothe anxiety. Retrieve medications or lead their handler home during dissociative episodes. Popular breeds: Labrador Retrievers, Golden Retrievers, German Shepherds, known for their intuition and calmness. Emotional insight: these dogs are trained to notice subtle behavioral cues like fidgeting, breathing changes, or pacing, and take action to de-escalate stress. Number 4. Mobility assistance dogs, helping hands on four legs. To aid individuals with physical disabilities or limited mobility, whether due to injury, chronic illness, or paralysis. Retrieve dropped objects or open doors. Help with balance while walking. Pull wheelchairs or provide support for transferring between surfaces. Turn lights on/off, press elevator buttons, or carry items like bags. Popular breeds: Labrador Retrievers, Golden Retrievers, Standard Poodles. Strong, gentle, and highly trainable. Independence boost: these dogs give people more autonomy at home, at work, and in public, reducing reliance on human caregivers. What's incredible is that these dogs are trained specifically for one person, building a bond that's part work and part emotional lifeline. You might ask, why dogs and not, say, cats or even miniature horses? Well, dogs are social animals. They're wired to live in packs, follow cues, and form deep bonds with humans. They also thrive on structure, routine, and obedience, all critical traits for a service animal. And get this, a study in the journal Science found that when dogs and humans gaze into each other's eyes, both release oxytocin, the same hormone that helps moms bond with their babies. That's why dogs don't just serve, they connect. Let me tell you about a few real heroes. Jake, a veteran from Texas, says his service dog Luna saved his life after years of nightmares and anxiety. She wakes him up from panic attacks and gives him the confidence to go into public spaces again. Then there's Mia, who's 12 and diabetic. Her Labrador Scout can detect low blood sugar levels, even in the middle of the night, and alert her parents. These aren't just pets, they're life-saving partners. So why do dogs make great service animals? Because they combine biology, loyalty, emotional intelligence, and dedication in a way no other species can. They're more than companions. They're trained professionals, guardians, and friends. And they're changing lives across the country every single day. If you've learned something new or just love dogs, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you think dogs do better than humans? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing animal content, stories, and science fact. Thanks for watching, and give your pup an extra treat today.